What's up guys, it's Real Thomas here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you could make at least $50 a day. It depends on what I'm about to talk about, but I'm going to be showing you how you can make at least $50. That's $50 extra a day. So let's get into the video. So how you can make $50 a day is, as I'm about to show you this, it's gonna look crazy, and one thing, I'm sorry, but if you live not in North America or places that don't have snow, then you're kind of in a bust right now, you're in a bust, but you could still go to one of my other videos where I have how you can make money as a kid. You could also look at those, and that could also help you. So right now, this is what it looks like in Canada right now. So it's really ashy outside. As you can see, it's full of white snow. It just snowed. This is my balcony right here, and as you can see, it's quite a bit of snow. So I'm gonna go outside and see if I can make at least, $50. So guys, we got my shovel here, and we're gonna go outside and make some dimes. So basically what you want to do is get your shovel and look for a driveway. It's very much better to do driveways that don't have tire marks, because what happens is when tires go over the marks, these marks like this, it creates heat, which melts the snow, and when you melt the snow, it gets really hard. So let's see. So as you can see guys there, this person chooses not to answer, which is fine with us, because all we want to do is make some money and stuff. Hi, is your mom here?
Mom? Yeah.
Can you ask her if I could shovel her driveway, please?
Yeah, we're okay.
Okay. Another failed attempt. So yeah, don't take it personal when they say no. Literally, you're going out of your time to go help them, literally. So don't be sad if they say no. Just look for another house that will say yes. So I'm gonna find you guys a house that I could actually do, so it's not so boring. So guys, I just got a yard. So as you can see here, I got $20. So that's just $20 for this one yard. So that's pretty good. So I'm just gonna shovel this quickly, and I'll show you how it looks after. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Just wait. I'll do it quickly. It should take me like about 20 minutes. Peace. as you can see, guys, I just came out from shoveling snow. I forgot to show you guys the picture of the yard. It's because my hands were so cold that I couldn't even take a picture of the yard. But as you can see, this is how much money I made from 3 houses. That's 20, 30, 55 bucks. Can you guys see this? 55 bucks in what, like 3 houses. I shoveled 3 houses, and this is how much I got. But it also comes with some consequences. It comes with frostbite. So yeah, when you don't wear proper gloves. It comes with a messed up face, a runny nose. I'm really so tired right now. But guys, this is how you can make $50. All you have to do is go out. It don't matter if it's a snowfall. Okay, you could even do this for mowing a lawn. You could even mow lawns with it. Like, you could literally go in the summer and mow people's lawn. They will pay you at least $20. You think people are not generous, but some of them are most of them are actually generous, and they do give you tips. So that's the good thing about it, because some people are really kind, and they just, especially if they see that you're a kid, it's a whole lot better for you. So guys, that was my video on how to make $50 or more in one day. So guys, this is one snowfall, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna snow another day. Let's say I go out, let's say tomorrow, or the day after that. I shovel another 3 people's yards. Let's say I want to raise the price to $20, and I do 3 yards. That's $60, and then plus from what I have today, that's like over $110. So guys, I'm telling you, all you have to do is put in the effort. So that will be it for my video, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you want my Instagram, I'll leave that in the link also. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.